Hi, my name is Christophe Soyer, and today I will tell you about Rintag. Thanks to my own experience in the sector of the telecommunication and social network in Europe, I consider myself as a self-made man in many areas. I don't have a team yet, only a good project, and I count on Startup Chile to make relationship, to find the best programmer partner in order to help me to start and develop my project as soon as possible. We all have something at home that we don't use anymore, but we don't want to sell it. So why don't use them to generate extra income by renting them? Rentag is a simple and powerful new sharing platform working by global trend of collaborative consumption. The access is better than the possession. The impact in Chile will be very strong. Time magazine named collaborative consumption one of the 10 ideas that will change the world, and Rentag will be part of it. If you see around the world, there exist many platforms working with collaborative consumption, like Spotify, bike sharing, Airbnb, carpooling, time sharing, many more. We don't pretend to change what we consume, but maybe change how we consume it. Let me tell you a good example. How often do you need a drill? Maybe once a year? If you are like most people, your stuff are stored in the garage all the time. The society teaches us that if you need something, it's just easy to go to the store and to buy it. But now, you can change it. You can find many neighbors around you who can rent any kind of stuff. That saves money, saves the resource of the planet, and actually builds new relationship with your neighbor. Do you know that your drill was built to be used 10,000 hours in this life? And you don't need it for 15 minutes. Nobody wants to have a drill. You only want to make some hole. And a drill is just the beginning. With Rentag, you can rent everything. There is no limit to your creativity. Remember, what is mine is yours.